guys, welcome back to another new video. Today, as you can see, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little balcony update. Super excited, but first we have a sponsor. This amazing company to send us some shelves, which I think is called there's like 7 tiers, which I'm gonna use for the balcony. I am super excited because like we have a small balcony, so how do you get more space? You go vertical. And this is literally perfect. It's like skinny and tall, like me. And literally. So literally, guys, like I'm so excited. Like I'm literally so happy. Like they reached out because like I needed some shelves. They look really cute. So let's go. I'm gonna go unbox them for y'all. I open so you can open them if you want to. So I was gonna get mad because like the light just like. Okay, let's get to it. A little unboxing.
Oh, you will stab me.
Aquí tengo la de esto.
You were like this.
Boy. Whatever. Oh my god, this is gonna look so freaking cute in the balcony. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Okay. Look really shiny. I think it's like bamboo. A lot in here. Wait, we just one at a time now, so they want like mixed together.
Yeah.
You can take that if you want to, because I know you want to do it.
Take it out.
It's Valentine, okay, it's Valentine. Papa!
I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. This is how it looks.
What the heck? And blood.
Okay. So that's cute. Can you see inside? Close. Let me show you guys what's inside.
Okay.
Oh, well, that's really generous. What really comes with this?
Where's the drum?
Oh, you need the drum. And then the other glove. Other tornillos. So, we'll give you guys a quick little. We'll give you guys an update on how it goes. It's gonna look so cute in the balcony. I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna do a time lapse. Alrighty, the first one is done. Looks so good. I'm so ready to place it in the balcony. Now there's one more left. Okay, so here are the towers. We have a little cute pineapple plant. And this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted like a little like green, I don't know what you can call it, like a green wall. So I want everything to go vertical since I have a very small balcony. And the way to fit a lot of plants and give those jungle vibes is to go up, which these tiers do exactly that, and I'm just so obsessed with it. We have a really cute, and a lot of these plants get to get in direct light, but we're getting like our forecast is pretty cloudy these next days, so that should be enough for them to like harden off. I'll be checking them daily, multiple times. If I see any burn, then I just move it away as soon as possible. But we have a really cute pineapple plant over here. And then we have this fun money tree. Beautiful Syngonium. And then this global green pothos. So we got for $10. And it was really shoved in there, but it's fine. It's just gonna go down, which is exactly what I want. A really fun lemon lime philodendron. Sparkling sour aglaumenia, which is starting to bloom. Another really fun aglaumenia. I don't know what this one's called, but it's beautiful. And then a lemon lime to the very bottom. And then in this other tier, we have a really fun Scindapsus, which did have box, but I just ended up spraying all of it. And yes, I know I'm putting it next to my other plant, but I'm fine with it. I don't really care. And honestly, I'm gonna release ladybugs pretty soon, so that's gonna be a really fun video. We have my massive monstera. Oh yeah, monstera Peru para acá. And this entire section doesn't get any direct sunlight. As of now, it's just over here, a frente. And all this gets bright indirect sunlight. A Fernwood Sansevieria. A really fun neon pothos we got free discount for $10. A really beautiful begonia. Another begonia maculata. And the golden goddess philodendron. At the very bottom, I have some calidariums that I am growing from the bulbs. Here's the other 2 pots. Some petunias. Some golden goddess philodendrons that I'm propagating. A little super blue as an experiment. Things called a horse head philodendron. And then we have this other, I think it's called a conjo green. It's a philodendron. It's really, really fun. But this is exactly what I wanted, you guys. It's perfect, and it's also like warm toned, I'm just obsessed with it. And it wasn't that hard to build. It was pretty fast. As soon as you find the rhythm, like it goes a lot faster. It's like everything repetitive. Here's a Hoya. About to pull at the very top. Really fun twister plant. Twister lipstick. Red Maranta. Calidarium right there. This one, this is an Aglaumenia, I think it's called Aglaumenia Frost or Aglaumenia Ghost. Bird's Nest Fern, beautiful Hoya, Rebus Foot Fern, some air plants, which I'm literally missing them like every single day. I find it fun, and it gets a lot of wind baraga. So I might slow down on misting, unless it gets super duper hot like in the summer. I'll mist it a lot more often. And then some other greatest baraga. I will have a complete balcony tour. Oh my god. Pretty soon. So make sure you subscribe if you want to go, if you haven't, so you won't miss that video. We have my mic and baraga, which I think it's getting spider mites or mealybugs from this guy. So I'm gonna go spray some Captain Jacks pretty soon. And honestly, I'm gonna spray this entire section with neem oil. Well, I don't know. I might bring some of them that are infected. I'm gonna figure it out, you guys. Like, I know this is like really, really bad, and I just wanted to give it a chance, but maybe it wasn't that smart to place it outside because it could infest my other plants. But I am gonna release beneficial insects very soon inside and on the balcony, which they will fly away, but they would have a little bit of a feast. And I'm also looking for like natural ways to get rid of these pests. It's fun. Like, I'm just trying to experiment with my plants. I know like I put a lot of them at risk, but that's the whole point, and that's one of the best ways to like, you know, get wisdom and like learn. Beautiful Pariso Verde. Syngonium, I think it's called neon or pink syngonium. Evergreen pothos. Tradescantii. Split leaf philodendron, putting out a really fun new leaf. Gardenia, Dieffenbachia. Some calatheas in a very dark spot, but I'm pretty sure they love it. Mother Queen pothos. We have some veggies that I am growing by seed. Some marigolds and zucchini and those stuff. I know the zucchinis get massive. I'm gonna grow some sweet peas over here on the side so it can go up. And then on the front, I'm gonna go place like maybe some petunias, something that doesn't get too tall. And I have my amaryllis bowl from the Christmas. You guys remember it? It's doing pretty good. And I have my strawberry plant, petunias, Song of India. Those two, I'm gonna have a tomato and bell peppers pretty soon, which will be getting a lot of light. This looks really fun. Also, we're even getting a lot of birds. Okay, I'm getting stirred up really bad. But this horse is gonna get so big. I'm so excited. We have some petunias like arriba. Sorry about the backlight. Bird feeder. Oh, my limonene philodendron. And then I have my Justina pothos. Another Hoya. More Hoyas. Over here I have my philodendron. Variegated hardy philodendron that I'm propagating. Really fun Tradescantia. It looks so bad, but now it's looking a lot better. I'm pretty sure it loves being outside now. And then my Monjula pothos, of course. Look at you leaf. But yep, that's basically it. Alright guys, so that is basically it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. See you when I just left this plant. I'm sorry. And thank you so much for our sponsor for making this video possible, and I'm literally obsessed with these shows. So I have them linked down below so you can go and check them out. And sending positive vibes to each and every one of y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!